Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure Git is active in Android Studio and your GitHub credentials are available. Once done, enable version control integration for the project so Studio recognizes Git. Then add or update the remote URL, use origin for convention, so Android Studio knows which GitHub repository to target. You do this now because remotes define where pushes and pulls go. Without a correct remote, commits stay local. Make sure to use SSH or HTTPS matching your credential setup to avoid authentication errors. Next, change the repository by editing the remote in Android Studio or running git remote set URL origin new URL in the built-in terminal. Once changed, fetch and pull from that remote so you can reconcile differences. This prevents accidental overwrites. If branches diverge, rebase or merge locally to preserve history. Rebase for a linear log, merge for simpler conflict resolution. Make sure to test a local build after merging. You want to catch integration issues before pushing to the new GitHub repo. Finally, commit any remaining changes and push to the chosen branch on the new remote. After pushing, verify on GitHub that commits and branches are present and that repository settings, like protected branches or required checks, won't block CI. If you encounter errors, stop and inspect authentication and the remote URL. Often an incorrect URL or missing SSH key causes failures. As a key troubleshooting tip, if push is rejected, run git pull to retrieve upstream changes, resolve conflicts locally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.